Hey guys, this is Derek with Aquanut Pool Care, and today I've got something special for you. Let me show you what it is. Hayward was nice enough to send us their brand new robotic cleaner, the AquaVac 650. This robotic cleaner seems pretty awesome. It is Wi-Fi smartphone enabled so that you can schedule it and control it with your phone, and it's got many other features that we're gonna get into right now. Let's get into unboxing and opening this bad boy up. All right, comes with an instruction manual. This is one of the braces for the cart. It does come with a cart, spare tires, fastener caddy. We got Hayward's control unit right there. And there it is. And there's the caddy, and this slides right there. Take this off because we're about to plug this puppy up. This will sit right there when not in use. Cord will sit right there, and this attaches right there. Now all we have to do is cut these ties off, plug it in, and of course, the first place that I'm gonna try this out is in my above ground pool. Let's get started. The next pool that I wanted to demo this Hayward 650 robotic cleaner is this 16 by 32 Grecian pool with plastic steps 8 foot deep in. Let's get into it. So here is the pool. As you can see, it's got a lot of debris in it. And there is our friend, the new Hayward AquaVac 650. We're gonna let it stay in there and suck up some leaves for about an hour. Here is the shallow end with the steps, and we'll be back in a bit to check on the progress. So this is 4 hours later. Couldn't get back to the pool immediately, and the cleaner, this is the shallow end, didn't get the steps, but it's not designed to get the steps. Also didn't get the debris on the top. Not designed to get the debris on the top, but look at what it did with the bottom. It has gotten almost everything off the bottom. It's doing a fantastic job. As I move down towards the shallow end, it has missed one little leaf right there. And so far as I can tell, that is the only leaf that it has missed. But other than that, it has done a fantastic job cleaning this pool. I have not cleaned the basket out, so it is pretty full. And there you can see how full the basket is as it has come up. It's packed with leaves as it is scrubbing the tile line. It's an excellent opportunity for us to clean this out. That's all the gunk that it is cleaned out of the bottom of this pool. I say it's done a good job. So the AquaVac has this pretty cool feature where you can actually drive it around if you wanted to. We're backing up now, and we'll back up just a little bit, and then we will take a little turn towards the camera, and then we'll go full, whoop, turned a little too far. Drive towards the camera. So if you have a particularly dirty spot that you want to get cleaned, you can most certainly make that happen. Like I see a spot over there on the other side of the pool. I want to get that leaf right there. So I'm going to go right after that. Got it. Now back up. This is a fun little game to play when you're just wanting to goof off a little bit. Or you could just put it in auto mode and let it go about its business, cleaning the pool. Something that I definitely did not know when I first got this unit when you first take it out of the pool, it will go into a draining mode. It will spin up and try to kind of drain as much of the water out of this canister as possible. And I didn't know that, so I pulled it out, and as soon as it came out, I popped the canister off thinking, hey, I'm gonna dump it. Well, what I did was the little, you're not going to be able to see it on camera, but there's a little thing here that interacts with this. And this is, there you go. That is the motor that actually spins it, and it's trying to drain the water out, and it's programmed in from the factory. I didn't know that, so I pulled it off and actually damaged just a little bit the inside of this and that. So that is something that you should know when you buy one of these. But otherwise, this is a great unit. And that's all you got to do to put it back in there and then put it back in the water. So I've had the Hayward AquaVac 650 for about a month and a half now, and I've not only used it on my above ground pool here, but I've also used it on some in-ground pools. It's a very good unit. It's different than all of the other robotic cleaners that are out on the market right now. A lot of the other cleaners are just, they're simply rebranded. So there's a couple of manufacturers that make them, and then people will put their name on it, which is fine. They're still great units, but this one just seems like it was designed from the ground up to be a fun robotic cleaner for your pool. It has some neat features, such as the Wi-Fi controller. You can not only drive the unit with your phone, you can also change the light setting. There's a LED light. You can put it to any different color that you want, watch it while it's cleaning your pool during the night. I've tried to get some footage of that, but my camera just can't pick up low-level lighting underwater. The unit comes with 6 wheels, and this allows it to do that turning motion, and it also sucks from the bottom here right there, so it will suck right to the wall like you have seen in the video. Now, what this cleaner and none of the other cleaners on the market will do is pick up fine sediment. You're still going to need to vacuum for that. This unit has been great for picking up debris that has been falling on the bottom of my pool, such as leaves. Right now we're in the fall season, and it's really difficult to keep up when you have a pool like mine that is right literally under some trees. You're gonna have to get out there on a more regular basis and clean it out, but it's going to fill up fast. So that is one thing that I can definitely tell you is, do not just come out here and press the go button when this thing is full, because it will get over full, and you don't want that. It's going to fill up and it's going to pack. So run it for a certain period of time, empty it, put it back in, and then run it again, because you don't want this, you don't want it to fill up to the point where it's just packed. You're gonna wear it out like that. It's going to do a great job of picking up leaves. It won't really pick up sticks, anything big, so you're gonna have to get that out with a net. But during a normal season, this will be a great cleaner for you. During a normal season, during the summer, this has been good. I have put it in a couple of different pools. If you're going to go for a robotic style cleaner, whether you have an in-ground pool or an above ground pool, it's going to work great for you. Now, this might be a little bit pricey for an Intech style pool like I have, but if you don't want to spend a lot of time cleaning the bottom of your pool, invest and get something that's going to be great for your pool. You're not going to have to take all the extra time and energy to clean the bottom of your pool if you have a unit like the Hayward 650. So my recommendation is to buy a Hayward 650, try it out, see how you like it. If you're like me, you're going to enjoy the benefit of not having to go out and vacuum your pool on a every week basis. It will knock your vacuuming down to maybe you vacuum once per month during the summertime. Obviously during fall you're going to have to spend a lot more time with your pool if you're under trees like I am. So my name is Derek, I'm with Aquanut Pool Care. This has been a review of the Hayward 650 Robotic. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more reviews and pool related videos. Hit that bell to get some notification. If you have any questions about this unit, put it in the comments, or if you have any questions about anything regarding your pool or cleaners, put it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to answer your questions. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.